Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a customized cutout in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. Here we can select one that we want to work on. After it opens up and we are in the editing menu, we have to select a clip that we want to edit. We just tap on it, and then in the bottom bar we scroll to the right and find the cutout button. We tap on it, and then in the customized cutout option we can draw the space that we want to be a cutout. Then we just color it in like this, and then it's going to create a cutout based on the selection. Then we can sharpen it and create a more pronounced cutout, but that's pretty much it. After we are done, we just tap OK, and then the cutout is finished. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.